Experience man yun. Ano mo
Experience. Ala.
Ikuan sa kuan mo sa live mga imo experience.
Tara Naka-live man. Naka-live na na.
Uy, break ka.
Wala ako nang gi-live balik.
So,
Sorry.
kasi padayon mo sir, live na. I-demo na siya sa live lang.
Yes.
Padayon lang ko. I-intro lang ko, mingon lang ko. Tanawag ako, mag-live. Ito rin, sa mga nakita. Naka-live na mo ka ni?
Live na niyo.
Nakakulit siguro ka mo yung ano mo? Oo. Meron din na pala sa inana. Yun sa, o na sa hospital, yan, available.
Net source.
Ay, sorry.
Yun yun. Pero mga ngayon.
Kano siya? So, kaya.
Yun nga.
Yeah. Pwede hindi mo siya na, dinimot mo niya, balik na sa menu.
Mag-extros. Okay, di na mo spin.
Dili. Air lock mo.
Mga kay eyes, kinaanak ka.
Because the shelf life is 5 days.
Ang ito mo usap.
Strawberry.
So, abi na ko emerge na rin mo sila sa mapalit na siya tibuok kuan.
Kani.
Kunya na, bitay-bitay. Nabitayanan, wala.
Most mo serve me ani. Pwede mo na lang.
Pero kani makadala may makapalit
Ah.
na. Muro ilang kape ang palito na natin, maaano lang ko. Kung ano ni Ana, nag-use vlog.
Ito ganang green.
Oh.
Mura green nga dugo.
Mura buwan.
Ay, Yakult. Ano sa to? Yakult.
For buwan, Halloween.
Oh, kani. Namin pag Halloween. Blood ni red.
Nakukuha na ko diya, okay na siya. Mao ni siya ang demo guys ha. Sa tanan nga mga flavors ako na yun. Available sa mga bag. Ako sa
But this is 3 servings, 2 to 3 servings.
kagay ano?
Concentrate man.
Oh, lagi.
Yes. So also we have 1 liter, that's 460. That's 6 cups na. So, and then shelf life. So what we do is, muna siya ang kayong dextrose bottle.
Oo. Pwede ka magpalit yung nga ng buta.
Oh.
Pero kinalaban mo siya ka ng i-store somewhere.
After kaya dapat i-refrigerate siya, at least chilled siya to have a 5 days shelf life.
5 days. Kung refrigerated.
Yes.
Okay. Pero kung ice lang,
Oh, dapat i-consume siya within 24 hours.
okay.
Nakasisiguro ka sa presyong kaya mo. Nutex Douglas. Bakit dalaga ka na?
Isugot na siya. May ganit ko quick classes ang kami.
Asa mong kuan?
May masters, but masters.
DYCM-TV News, Views, Fun,
Pasugod na na.
On Demand.
Dagan ba mo ang comments?
Kap nga ala una 39 sa kahapuno. Okay. Samtang nagkuha ta, nag-commercial break ta, kami diri na kato mga nagsunod sa among live sa Istoryahe Cebu, sa among Facebook page, ipakita ni sa atong guest si Sir giunsa niya unsay gamit ang ilang naang flavor ka na dextrose good niya na kape mo ni kape na strawberry flavor ano ba kunya magtuto na siya taon sa mga makita mo siguro din ako describe mo mura ko masayop na mo describe kunya pwede ninyo mapalit madaan ninyo ang kanang murag bago sa tawag niya ng bago murag
Transfusion ba?
transfusion ba kadam niya kunya ay lang to palitan ng katong kuan itong kaayo kay natutuon niya sa murag dugo kunya o na siya pwede na ninyo ma-experience di ay no
Yes.
ikaanto ninyo sa pero wala sa Dr. Coffee sa Dr. Chicken
Yes.
sa Dr. Coffee
Actually,
na
oh yeah, but you can bring because Dr. Coffee is in the second floor. Dr. Chicken is just in the ground floor, and then we created like a mini stairs going down so they can just usually good kay ang mga students, so they study in Dr. Coffee and then they feel hungry and they wanted something else to try. So let's go downstairs and then let's Dr. Chicken.
Mauni usa sa mga minaro nga mga style kay una sa akong nakatunan sa mga nakaistorya nako nga mga negosyante which is iya jong gipakita kung pwede rin ko itawag ni Sir, formal na kayo.
Jong.
Okay. Gi-demonstrate ni Jong sa akong dunggan sa ubang mga entrepreneurs and business owners nga kanang don't fall in love too much sa imong produkto. Fall in love with your customers. Kung unsay lang need mo imong hatag, ganahan sila gusto man sila, kanang pagkaon, ganahan sila kape, kanang kape. Dili mo subul-subulon kay di sila ganahan. Mo ilang gihatag, mo na usa sa mga basic kung gusto kang survive ang imong negosyo. Diba? Kay mo may palit, di ba? Kayo rin palit. Pero sir, mo drill down ta unsa nimo pagpalambo ay para ko sa sugod na kas negosyo. Ang problema na sa dani kung saan pag-continue, pag-survive, and magpalambo pa. So, now, sa inyong experience sa negosyo, unsay ni work nga paagi ninyo, nga ninyo damha nga marag, inanion din siya. Ano ba, mga eureka ninyo ba nga? Teka, example, no? Tingnan ka mag-hire ng tao, mag-hire ng tag-usa, niya daghan ng trabaho, o mag-hire tag specific yun, barista rin na siya, ano ba? Kung sino work sa inyong business nga, makainom ka nga, mauni usa sa mga nakakontribute.
I should answer that in a way that based on my experience.
Okay.
Because for so long that I've been working also in hospital, which is also a customer service delivery field. And then we've been I've been talking with a lot of people with their concerns like in health and during the admission time. So it feels like it gave me an experience on how I should handle the customers also in a cafe.
Advantage siya.
Yes. It's more on like you personalize the care.
Yes.
So that's very important. As you've mentioned, that we need to listen to the feedbacks of the customers. So personalizing it would mean that I'm not taking just one concern and then I address it. Because addressing that concern might affect the entire process that we have and it might ruin other customers as well. So you have to filter.
Kaya magka-conflict kung
Yes,
sila.
because as what I've mentioned, personalized care would mean that it's very individualized. So with this broad customer that we have, because we're not just catering to one person, we're catering to students, we're catering to professionals as well, we're catering to lawyers, accountants, corporate people, because there are a lot of actually people that we've been talking with, even because we held a lot of events in our cafe. Like there's like a cup sleeve for if you're familiar with Korean bands. So there's a lot of Gen Zs and millennials that are into that right now. And we're also catering in the corporate industry, like for those who are having their meetings, their product development in our cafe. So it's like individualized service.
Pero John, since individualized siya, and you can't please everybody man gyud, no? How do you categorize or how do you filter kung unsa ang unsa ang imong paminaw? Betan, si Kian ganahan siya nga ang Spanish latte niya. By the way, dili ko ganahan Spanish latte pero ingong ni John kay tamis na tayo pero kani sila kape man gyud. Kaya na ba uban ganahan sa flavor nga Spanish cafe sa uban. Then mingon ko nga ganahan I wanted dark and bitter. So, kinsa imong paminaw katong would it matter ba lawyer ko, doctor siya na how do you do that?
Yes.
Do that?
So the most important part is you have to train your people. You have to let them know. Because I'm not there all the time, 24/7, because I have a day job. So what's the most important thing is what I'm doing is I made sure that my staff knows how to troubleshoot. So there's a service level agreement between their ends that what they would do is they would ask the customer what they want, and then if their demands is possible, then we can do. But there are things that's not possible. So we have to inform the customers that, ma'am, this is our standards. This is the standards that we follow. We can modify it based on your needs, but not entirely change because the product that we have has also has standards.
Yes. So di ka mo agree ng the customer is always right?
It depends on the
Depends.
situation. But it's actually a win-win because you have to know, I mean, I'm also a customer.
Yes.
And let's just practice that respect to everyone else because as what I've said, we cannot cater everything. And if that particular store doesn't cater your needs, then perhaps it's time to try another. Because as what I've mentioned, it's not easy to continue the business, and we also have to be sensitive that you don't have to be rude to the barista just because the barista doesn't comply to what you want, because they also follow the standards, they also follow
Yes.
protocols.
Oh.
But it's more on the compromise between the two of you that, sir, can I just have mine a little sugar? Can I have mine this one? So at least that's very personalized. Although we follow the standards and protocols, the ratios that we have with our coffee,
Maguba na.
at least we still cater based on what you want and how you like it.
Nagyapoy ka ng customization.
Yes.
Tako, pero not too much nga. Mawagtang na inyong
Yes,
inyong set
because
up.
that's branding. That's part of the brand of the product.
Kaning mga may talagang negosyante na kasi naapa dyan kay trabaho, which is full-time, di ba?
Yes.
And how do you manage that? I mean, how does it look like sa imuha? Let's say weekday. Kung sa itsura na, regular weekday mo, sa kawas mo mata,
Yeah.
sa kamuadto, sa inuunahon, ano ba?
So before, without the Dr. Coffee and Dr. Chicken, so
Mm.
I just go to the hospital every day and
Yeah.
off on the weekend. So right now, like my work starts at 6 until 2 p.m.
Work sa hospital.
Sa hospital. So I have to be awake like 4:30 in the morning.
Okay.
Yes. So
So,
that's
nabuko
Monday,
mo ba?
Monday to Friday.
Oh.
And then that depends because there are some times that I go on shifting as well.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. So after that, I would go to, since it's just walking distance, man, from the hospital that I work to the coffee. So I just drop by to the cafe and then check everything that I need to sign, the things that I also replied in our social media. So I check
ikaw
in.
yung problema.
Yeah.
Pero
So-
namin social media.
Yeah, na social media manager. Also, like after I right now I'm into pickleball because Yes.
Sikot mo
so it's very it's a low impact sport, so I feel like I don't have to exert too much
Too much effort.
Yes, and it's also safe for everyone who's just starting. So like after I work here, I just take a nap like 2 hours and then go to the pickleball until 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. then go to sleep.
Yeah.
And then same cycles. But on a weekend, it's quite busy because I still attend to my master class
Oh,
every Saturday or every
Saturday
Sunday.
sa
Yes, so
Weekend.
it's just a weekend. But it's actually a matter of like prioritization that you have to know.
nakita-follow mo
leadership.
pa na, sir.
I don't know if it applies to everyone, but I feel like you have to know the reason why you're doing it. Because sometimes there are people who's I'm not belittling them, no. But what I mean, if despite the 8-hour schedule, they feel like burnout still because they don't feel like motivated to go to work. Because it's just a matter of finding passion towards what you're doing, and then checking yourself if you're still creating an impact, checking to yourself if you're still yes.
Aligned.
So I think that's the very important thing that you have to remember.
Yung ingon nga, kanino ka bumabangon,
Yeah.
kanino ka bumabangon. Kanang pag-manage sa aning nga mga tanang schedule sa familiar si Kaya kay kami sa start sa mga freelancing and managing projects. You can't help but really depend on sometimes mga tools, digital tools na, or calendar kung if you may kanang mga bisan physical mo suwat mo na kay nga
Yes.
do you keep like a journal or something para to monitor?
Yeah, I have like a planner, but since nindot naman good rin like sa na may calendar sa platform sa social media,
Okay.
like the like you can schedule the calendar of your activities
Oh.
and then you can alarm ahead so that you won't miss a thing.
Fine.
There are really a lot of instances that you mislook the schedule or you oversee it, but it's just I think you have to be focused on things that you really want.
Ikaw yung schedule ang nasa
Yes,
mga.
yes.
Wala kay assistant?
Wala, sir. I can't afford.
Oh.
And then, yes, because it's just you. I mean, it's just me. So I think it's just a matter of listing the things that I want to do, listing the things that I have to do, and then comply to it.
Okay. Sa mabalik ko sa actually mabalik ko how you manage your day. Nakuryoso ko, so sa akong nakuryosohan is how you market. Na-mention ko sa social media kanina, ikaw po yung usahay mo reply, di ba? Wala nimo kinalay sa social media manager nimo. I would like to think na able and effective siya gibuhat kay naapagod siya diha, di ba? Unsay mga marketing strategies? You don't have to share
Yes.
everything ha. Ang basic principle sa inyong pag-market sa business.
Trend. So yes, because after all, this is market.
Yes.
This is marketing. This is a competition. So you have to know your competitors as well. You have to know what's on trend right now. So you have to be particularly active on the social media because people nowadays would really look into the social media. Like if you watch on TikTok, oh, this is the new cafe that opened. So we have to see what's the new thing here. So it's all digital now, so you really have to be a par when it comes to marketing strategies as well. But for me, what I do is, like, if we have like a promotion, like when during the time that we have like a Valentine's special, so I arrange the flowers myself, the orders. Yes, I am the one who's making the coffee and flower arrangement.
Pag-lisod man mo ang mga
Because-
mga guests ba, ay mga listeners, kaya lang ako, niya susunod. May gulo ka, I do it myself, and then I do it. Samot magkadaghan.
Yes, you have to know. Even the cooking, if I'm baking,
Luto sa ka?
sa shop, yes, because it's my recipe, it's my menu, and then you have to check from time to time.
I think usa sa rason nga nung ma-survive na nimo ng ingana ka hands-on. It's because as you mentioned from the start, there's passion involved.
Yes.
Diba? Dili ka mo lahutay, ang katong mga tapulan niya, dili mo lahutay kung may passion. Ang uban gani, basta ilang negosyo, basta passionate sila about the business, bisan pag arang buwan na, makikita, pero passionate magkano, sige, utong ako.
Yeah, and then you don't have to be demotivated by, low incomes, because although, yeah, it's very important, but you also have to think that the impact that you're doing with the people that's working there, because they have their families to feed also, and then as long as the business is on the right track, you don't have to think it right away that on the first year or the second year you get the ROI.
Yes.
Because that's very,
Yes.
Unrealistic at the
Yes,
end,
go on,
and it will not survive.
Yes.
Focus.
Oh,
Oh yeah, I mean there are businesses that succeed during that year, but if you want to look ahead in a further view of it, it's not gonna work like a year or two.
Be realistic yun sa imong mga
Yes.
goals, but kana ma-reach ninyo ba?
Yes.
Okay, disappoint na ka kung pataka lang ka. Just adjust pa rin mo yung goals, diba?
Yes.
Based on sa performance. Jong, daghan mo dyan kay ko. Sa oras naman ito.
It's okay.
Oo na. If ever na atay, imagine na nakita ta, waka kailan ako, kung nino mo, sir, ganahan mo kung magsugod o negosyo, sir. Like how you're doing it. Unsa imong, wala bang, Miss Universe, unsa imong ika-advise na nila in just, let's say, within a minute.
Yes. If somebody would ask me that question, I would have to pry. Like I have to ask questions.
Okay.
What do you want? What you are passionate about?
Passionate
Yes.
about yun.
Because if you just want it for the sake that you want to earn money right away, it's not gonna work. The business won't stay. Or if I'll ask you that, what are you into right now? Like I just want fashion. Then I open a clothing line. Then after a while, you already have a different passion again. Yeah. So you have to know what you really want, and then you have to look at it like 5 years or 10 years from now. Is it still something that I want? Because if you want it short term, then invest na lang sa other areas.
Other businesses.
Oh, because it will really take a lot of time. It will really take a lot of effort. It will really take a lot of sometimes test of hearts.
Oh.
Because you would really feel demotivated sometimes. You really feel so low at some point. But yes, but you know, it's not always a low day. There are also sometimes that yes, masaka ka, and then plus you get random feedbacks from customers. Yes, and then because I would also serve from time to time, and then they don't know that I'm part of it. So it's like I want to do a spot check. I'm monitoring also. So because as what I've said, it will really take a lot of your time. So you really have to be hands-on. Are you willing to invest your time and effort to this? If your answer is doubtful, maybe, or no, then maybe it's not yet the right time.
So dili kay sakto sa mo point out na not just because passionate ka na. What if napuo ka mo imong passion?
Yes.
Di ba? So kinahanglan mamili ka na unsang gyud ang importante.
Yes.
So, okay. Well, please invite them, encourage them to visit sa inyong Dr. Coffee and
Yes.
Dr. Chicken. Same lang sila nga building.
Yes. So, guys, if you want to look for, or if you're looking for a space to study to be productive, so visit us, Dr. Coffee, at the second floor building of JJA near Fuente Boulevard, Padung Capitol. So you can do your meetings there, meet up with friends, a small occasion, so we have rooms for that. Also, downstairs is just Dr. Chicken, so it's a new brand. It's a legit Korean chicken.
Lami.
Yes, so we studied it as well. So I think that there's no more time, but we also have to make the point that you have to study your product. So research. So like in the Dr. Chicken, I think it's a different topic that we have to discuss later on. Because
Sunod,
yes,
part 2.
we really studied about it.
Ano ba?
Yes, and then we make sure that it's really legit and Korean based. So I think Cebu, you should visit Dr. Chicken. And we also have Dr. Coffee in Jamestown, Mandaue. Yes, that's the second branch. And then we're soon, hopefully, by this year, one also in another branch.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
good.
And then I think in Bonifacio we also have the branch of Dr. Coffee, but in Asuryon, but it's for the call center friends that we have. So yes, so guys, visit us and check our promotions for Mother's Day as well this coming May. So we have a lot of things to prepare for Mother's Day to make our mother special. So I would like to thank sir for guesting me here for.
No worries. Ako ang pasalamat kay dagan ko nakatunan kay sige na kung nang ikaw pa gyud magbuhat abi na ko lisod na tong being a nurse, having a full time, managing 2 businesses. Lisod na siya na napapagod na ko atang kung love life na. Sunod ka lang. O niya, again, nakaduhog naman siyang i-share sa ato about how he manages his life and work and business. Dili gini siya sa iyo, pero rewarding. So dili gini siya para sa mga tapulan. Para din sa katong mga dili mo hunong na makaton, mutuon o upadayon lang gyapon sa kapuyan. Mao din ni ang istoryahi Cebu o sunod na to nga next sir na sa atong guest ani sunod. Sunod na to nga panag-uban istoryahi Cebu. Ako si Arky. Mga minutes ako ninyo. Salamat.
Kini ang Sibiana.